Jannat-e-Kashmir, paradise on earth. That's how most travelers think of Kashmir. As an idyllic Garden of Eden with more natural beauty than the eyes can fathom. With lakes, mountains, meadows, and snowfields, Kashmir does indeed offer panoramic views till as far as the eye can see. And that's why it is a popular tourist destination in India. From skiing in Gulmarg to staying in a houseboat in Srinagar, there's lots to do in Kashmir. Apart from that, there's also a lot of culture to soak in the form of traditional Kashmiri meals, music, and dresses. If you're planning a trip to Kashmir, this is your one-stop guide for everything you need. The northernmost region of India was once a state and has now been split up into two union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. If you want to truly roam around the place and soak in the natural beauty of Kashmir, target visiting in the summer months between March and June. That's when the valley is abloom and every corner is a picture postcard. But if you want to see some pristine snowfall and try some snow activities, then you should visit in December-January. Avoid the monsoon season because the region tends to see landslides and road blockages around that time. There's so much to see and do in Kashmir that you will be spoiled for choice. But here are some experiences that definitely deserve a spot on your bucket list. One of the most exhilarating experiences in Kashmir is exploring the Dal Lake. You can start by taking a shikara ride on this gorgeous lake set against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks where several Bollywood movies have been filmed. You can also drop by India's only floating post office. End the adventure by staying overnight in a houseboat. India's largest freshwater lake, the Wular Lake, is also a great place to get the adrenaline pumping. Try water skiing and other thrilling adventure sports here. The summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. While in Srinagar, don't forget to visit the magnificent Mughal gardens, the Hazrat Bal Mosque, the Jama Masjid, and the powerful Jhelum River. A trip to the Indira Gandhi Memorial Tulip Garden would also be a delightful addition to your itinerary, especially in April when the Tulip Festival is celebrated. Another great attraction of Kashmir is Gulmarg, the Meadow of Flowers. The famous Gulmarg Gondola is a cable car that takes you high into the mountains for truly surreal views of the valley. Gulmarg is a great place to try snow activities like sledding, skiing and tobogganing in the winter months. It is also home to India's only igloo cafe, so drop by for a warm cuppa to heat up your bones in the icy cold weather. Another pit stop in Gulmarg should be to play golf at the Gulmarg Golf Course. It is one of the highest 18-hole golf courses in the world and the views are breathtaking. Patni Top is one of the most underrated parts of Kashmir. The green meadows, set against the snowy white hills and framed by a blazing blue sky, are a sight to behold. Exploring the region by pony, much like the locals do, is a great way to truly appreciate this marvelous vista. For wildlife lovers, the Kishtwar National Park is a great stop. Snow leopards, Himalayan black bears, red fox and griffon vultures are some of the rare species that can be spotted in Kashmir. If you want to find inner peace, there are two pilgrimages in Kashmir that are extremely popular. The Amarnath Yatra is undertaken to worship a Shivling made naturally by snow. This pilgrimage generally takes place in the summer months. The second pilgrimage is the Vaishno Devi Yatra. This starts from Katra and takes you to the shrine of Mata Vaishno Devi in the Trikuta mountain. Apart from this, Kashmir has many incredibly gorgeous hill stations like Sonmarg, Pahalgam, Anantnag and Baramulla that offer a simpler way of life and jaw-dropping Himalayan vistas. Jammu Kashmir is home to 3 commercial airports in Jammu, Kargil and Srinagar. They are all well connected with frequent flights to and from major Indian cities. There are also several trains and buses that offer easy access to tourists. The great thing about Kashmir is that it is suitable for all budgets. For budget travelers, you can get by in roughly 2,000 rupees per day. This includes stay in a guest house or hostel, eating at dhabas and commuting by bus or rickshaws. For mid-range travelers who prefer to stay in 2 or 3-star hotels, eat in local cafes and travel using local taxis, the trip cost will go up to Rs 3,500 per day. For luxury travelers who book accommodation in 4 or 5-star hotels, dine in upscale restaurants and book guided sightseeing tours, the cost will be above Rs 5,000 per day. While in Kashmir, don't forget to try the local cuisine and indulge your taste buds with the spicy treats that are part of Kashmiri Wazwa. Wind up your day with a comforting cup of Kashmiri Kahwa. Mughal Darbar, Shamiana Restaurant and Aadoos are tourist favorite restaurants in Srinagar. Some of the best hostels in Kashmir are Himalayan Bunker and Hostel Srinagar. They are perfect for backpackers and solo travelers. They have lively common rooms where you are sure to come across some very interesting people. You can choose to share a room with someone or book a separate room for yourself. Some hotels that come highly recommended are Royal Comfy Regency, Lemon Tree Srinagar, Houseboat Zendari Palace and Pine and Peak. Some of the best luxury properties in Kashmir include the Khyber Himalayan Resort and Spa, the Vivanta Dal View Hotel, the Lalit Grand Palace Srinagar and 4 Points by Sheraton. To explore the best of Kashmir, it would be great to take out at least 10 days so that you can enjoy the beauty at an unhurried pace. However, if you're visiting just 2 or 3 cities, then even 5 days should suffice. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wanderlust-worthy videos.